Okay, so this video we will talk about the many-to-many relationship. One thing I did, I tackled the one-to-one in the last video. Sometimes when I'm working on a data model and a relationship is taken care of, like this one is, I will gray out that line. And, you can do that fairly easily. Just click on the line, and then you have the, these style options. Here's where you would change the color. This is just for, for your own benefit. You don't have to do that. I just like to do that. Okay, so in this one, we're going to focus on the student payment relationship, which is a one-to-many. The one-to-many, I think, is the easiest type of relationship. You don't have any choices. This is what you do. You take the primary key on the one side, we call that the parent side, and place it as a foreign key on the many side or the child side. That's it. It's not, you don't have a choice like with the one-to-one. It was pick a side, any side. That doesn't apply here. Take the primary key of the one side, place it as a foreign key on the many side. So that's what I'll do. I mentioned in the last video that you can, probably the best way to duplicate a row is to right click and do a duplicate. And it's okay if you have some extra space in there. But here, okay, so this will be the student ID entity. Once again, every column, every attribute in your model has got to have a data type. Foreign keys are no exception. So I need a data type here. I mentioned how you will never, ever, ever use like an identity or auto number type of designation on a foreign key, because that would like set it off on its own numbering system. That's not how it's done. It's just going to be a plain integer. So in this case, a plain integer. So I'll just do int. And this one is set. Now the last thing to do is to mark it as a foreign key. I want to know that you know it's a foreign key, so you're going to, I'll just mark it right here. I mentioned in the last video you could just as easily do a like a FK in parentheses after the fact. Just one way or the other is fine. You don't have to do both. And there you have it. That's the one-to-many. And in the next video I will do the many-to-many.